All right, gonna do a small little log here. Problem is, between the bunks, too much space. So easily put it up on its own deck. And then on the other side as well, you still need that 90, do another deck. That's why scrap wood comes in handy. So what I was just trying to accomplish there is make another footing for an extension I want to make. But it kind of proved two things. This thing can cut some pretty thin stuff. Yeah. And if you want to do a small log, you can make a bridge, but don't use warped lumber like I'm using. Use some more straight new stuff. But it was just a proof of concept. It worked. And this is a true 6x6. It's not super square, but it's going to be good enough for a footing.